Hello there, I'm Milo Foster, author of the AI Workshop book series. It feels like artificial intelligence is suddenly everywhere, doesn't it? But between the sci-fi movies and all that overwhelming technical jargon, it's incredibly hard to know where to start. That is exactly why I created this channel. The AI Workshop is here for complete beginners, people just like you who want practical real-world guidance without any of the hype. Here is exactly what we're going to build together. First, we tackle what AI actually is. I'll provide clear, simple explanations of how the technology works, so you never feel lost. Second, we'll master communication. You're going to learn the DRASTIC prompting framework. It's a method I developed to help you turn vague ideas into precise, useful results every single time you type. Third, we explore the tools. We'll look at practical, no-code solutions you can use today, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. Fourth, we scale up. I'll show you how to build your own personalized AI agents inside ChatGPT. These are reusable little systems that handle your repetitive work so you don't have to. Finally, and most importantly, we talk about independence. We'll cover turning AI into income with real business models for freelancing, creating new products, or simply accelerating your current career. We're here to strip away the confusion and give you the skills that actually matter. So if you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines, click that subscribe button now. I can't wait to help you get started.